What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
So Michael Burry is at it again. Just in case you're not aware of who Michael Burry is, this is the guy from the Big Short movie. That film was about the big housing crisis that took place in 2008. And Michael Burry is basically one of the first investors to call and profit from the subprime mortgage crisis. He got famous by betting against the mortgage securities before the 2008 crisis. So a lot of people in the investing world today now pay attention to what Michael Burry is saying or doing in the market. In this video, I'm going to go over what he recently said about meme stocks, and then at the end, I'll give you my take on it and what I'm personally doing with the meme stocks that I'm currently invested in. So Michael Burry recently wrote to Barron's via an email saying the following: I don't know when meme stocks will crash, but we probably do not have to wait too long, as I believe the retail crowd is fully invested in this theme and Wall Street has jumped on the coattails. We are running out of new money available to jump on the bandwagon. He goes on to say that momentum social media are now part of the strategy for Wall Street, and they are in a better position than retail to participate, sniff out, and start gamma squeezes in the options market. But it's interesting that he never gives a timeline at all. In fact, he has never given a timeline for any of his predictions, which makes predicting really easy. Anyone could make such blanket statements without giving out specifics, and they will never be wrong, because if you ever question them on what's happened, they'll just say, hey, it's not happened yet, but it will happen at some point. I understand you can't predict things to the day or the week, at least give a ballpark number though. So essentially, when asked about the timing in this particular case, this is what he had to say. For me though, if I get within a year's on a thesis coming true, I am happy. Most people are focused on days, weeks, or months. So again, what do you mean by years? It could be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years. Extremely vague, and anyone can make such predictions. And it's not like Michael Burry gets everything right. There are so many predictions that he's made about a market crash and Tesla crashing 80 or 90% or whatever, and that's not happened yet. And guess what? We can't call him out on those as well, because he'll just say, well, it's not happened yet, but it will at some point. So based on this, I can't take him too seriously. I'm invested in PLTR stock, Tesla, and I also have a bit of AMC. I do have other stocks, but we're talking about meme stocks here. Holding AMC for me is a way to support this movement against the hedgies, so that collectively we can put an end to this unethical shorting of companies by hedge funds that's been going on forever. So to summarize, I'm not selling anything, and even though I don't believe in a lot of his predictions, I still keep tabs on what Michael Burry is saying or doing in the market, and then I make my own mind in terms of what I should pay attention to and what I should simply ignore. Anyways guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Michael Burry's latest prediction about meme stocks. That's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.